Perhaps no other event in this world has compelled us to look for changes to overhaul our thinking dramatically like the COVID pandemic crisis of March-April 2020. While we have always pontificated that we need to keep abreast with technology and comply with the changing landscape, there have been several who have been lackadaisical. And this is especially so in the world of cloud-enabled enterprises. As late as 2019, there were still companies that were deliberating on how they could create an effective cloud environment. The benefits that they wished to achieve were fairly straightforward. To implement an end-to-end approach which incorporated design thinking, an effective migration plan that factored in optimization, and innovation and managed services that improved upon several aspects like unplanned downtimes, agility, user support, and, if I may add, sustaining operations in pressing times. Hello and welcome to the series on how to create an effective cloud-enabled enterprise. My name is Ashwin Raghunath, and over the next few podcasts, we'll be going down to the nitty-gritties of what you should be considering when you are looking to switch to the cloud. To get down to the brass tacks of why companies should seriously look at the cloud to power their business, we turn to the global market intelligence firm IDC and their Cloud Pulse 2019 survey, where they observed that 56% of organizations in India plan to significantly increase their spend on cloud services in the coming 12 months. And what were they looking for? To improve their agility, to improve resource utilization, and optimize staff productivity. On the other hand, skills, and now time too, are in short supply. And to meet the ROI targets, increasing number of IT buyers are now seeking to partner with cloud specialists. And the same IDC report was able to show that companies like Tata Communications Managed Cloud Services were able to accelerate staff productivity and efficiency levels by close to 73%. They were able to enhance user productivity by reducing unplanned application downtime, and downtime here came down by close to 95%. They were also able to unify all underlying IT resources, thereby enabling better control. And this IT agility drove faster deployment of compute resources, and finally, there is also the potential to generate additional revenue, close to $2.5 million by better addressing business opportunities. And to achieve these, there were 5 things that had to be done in a planned manner to ensure that success could be replicated across sectors and domains. These are: 1. Enabling resource effectiveness to drive an efficient and effective IT staff. 2. Improvement in business productivity factoring in business growth. 3. Improve the overall IT performance and resilience. 4. Reducing and reallocating the infrastructure costs. And finally, 5. Creating an agile response to IT and business needs. Today, I'm going to detail 3 of them, and in the forthcoming podcasts, we'll dwell on the other 2 and learn about how this switch can be made. Let's talk about the first one, resource effectiveness. The IDC report noted that IT staff is more productive with effective time utilization by, 1. The help desk operations that are related to workloads, application services, and 2. The IT staff time needed to manage and administer workloads as well as apps and services. Partnering with Tata Communications enabled companies with automated infrastructure configuration and configuration management database, freeing up IT desk time, automation of software patch scheduling and distribution, ensuring security and optimizing IT time usage, security automation, and managed backup services. And these resulted in 55% lower support calls received every week and a staggering 73% improvement in IT staff's efficiency. There was another not so obvious result. A group CIO from a logistic company said that their decision to partner with Tata Communications saved them time and effort needed to find the right people with the right skills. And this directly leads to our next outcome, and that is delivering the business productivity by driving business growth. Now, going back to the IDC report, collaborating with Tata Communications Managed Cloud Services enabled companies to address new opportunities and also to leverage new age technologies for improved business results, such as the following. CXOs could now look at geographical expansion and market reach expansions and simultaneously generate additional ROI and revenue. And when leaders were able to look at newer technologies, analytics, automation through their collaboration, they had faster turnaround time for all proof of concepts and improved quality of service when it came to servicing existing clients. And companies could leverage it all. We had a CEO who surprised us, saying that they as a company could now go out and position themselves as a SaaS and PaaS ready provider, something which they weren't able to do earlier. And this holistic approach changed their entire paradigm. And that paradigm shift was something one of our customers from the health and insurance sector saw. He came back to us, saying that they witnessed 100% uptime, and this was resonated by a client IT manager who said that their unplanned downtime turned from a monthly affair to a 6-monthly affair, while restoration time moved from days to minutes. This is what our final discussion point today delivered. Now, performance, resilience, and optimizing availability and minimizing risk is not an add-on, it's the entire framework. Now, if you have a less than expected performance, this impacts everything from customers' experience to your in-house IT staff experience. The IDC report mentioned that organizations who were using cloud services from Tata Communications Managed Cloud Services have experienced improved applications performance as well as high availability and resilience. This has resulted in improved service uptime, response time, and brought in a near zero network latency, and in cases, zero latency too. There have been very few things in the world of business that have altered the dynamics like the as-a-service model, and having a cloud provider who understands this, and along with playbooks on how businesses like yourself should deploy the cloud better, is an asset that is integral to the new world we will live in. Now, the cloud has already become a backbone to the world's leading enterprises, and what companies need is a partner who can take them through the entire cloud lifecycle journey, from assessment to migration to management to 24/7 support, all with minimal disruption, and not just give them server space with an internet connection. In the next podcast, I want to talk to you about reducing your cost and how the cloud can be agile to your business needs. So join me as I speak to you about what defines a successful partnership in your cloud journey, where you're looking at everything from driving business productivity, achieving business goals, and driving revenues. You can have your cake and eat it too.